I'm James Berstock, consultant specialist in hip and knee replacements. I'm the only surgeon at the Bath Clinic currently performing Mako robotic-assisted hip replacements, something which is catching on in a big way because of the increased precision it guarantees. I've been doing this for a few years and have experience from well over 100 cases now. I'm also the only surgeon at the Bath Clinic performing hip preservation surgery. This is keyhole hip surgery, where a number of issues can be repaired, saving the hip joint. I'm therefore able to offer you the whole range of hip surgeries depending on your needs. As well as hips, I have a thriving knee practice and perform large numbers of knee replacements each year. Here too, I make full use of the technological advances the Mako robot affords, giving my patients the best possible results. In both my hip and knee practice, my focus is on getting the best possible results for patients and enabling them to enjoy a rapid recovery. I've been developing the enhanced recovery pathway in Bath, and the difference this makes for patients still amazes me. Essentially, by minimising the surgical impact, shortening the anaesthetic, and using a clever cocktail of medicines after the procedure to reduce or eliminate pain, patients feel better, get going quicker, and recover faster as a result. These days, it's no surprise when patients feel ready to go home on the same day as their hip or knee replacement. If you'd like to come and see me for a consultation, you can book in online or contact the Bath Clinic directly.